Hey kids, welcome back. It's Teacher Marie. Today we're going to make some paper chains. Because it's Christmas time, we need to make decorations for our classroom. Would you like to try it with me? Okay, let's take a piece of paper. So what we need to do is we need to make a circle, take the stapler, and staple it together, just like that. This is really boring. If only we could make this more fun. Let's see if we can make this a little bit more interesting. I like my decorations to be very pretty. What if we fold this multiple times to make it look a lot more interesting than just one plain sheet of paper? Whew. It's a lot of work though. Imagine if I have to do this with every single piece of paper. This is going to take me forever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, my hands are tired. But look, it looks so good. What if we had a machine that could do this for me?
Hey boys and girls, are you sick and tired of your fingers getting tired making Christmas decorations? Me too. That's why I have this, the Paper Crimper 2000. It's got a convenient slide, big driven gear and small drive gear to make it easy, and a handle right here. Next Christmas, all you need to do is take your paper, place it inside the Paper Crimper 2000 and turn the handle. And before you know it, you have perfectly crimped paper ready to make your paper chains. Wow!
Amazing! I'm going to order that right now.
Special delivery, Paper Crimper!
Yes! It's finally here. What? It's just pieces. Oh, let's take a look at our pieces. We have a plate, some bricks, beams, a handle, gears, axles, and bushings. Let's build. Whew, finally finished. Let's test it out. Let's take this red piece of paper, inside. Wow, look at it turn. How fun is that? No more spending hours and hours folding paper. We've got ourselves our very own machine to do it for us. How cool! Pushing the paper through can be quite difficult, but there is a small drive gear and a big driven gear. That gives us mechanical advantage. Whew, I'm finished. Look at my chain. My paper chain looks amazing. This is going to look great on my Christmas tree. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.
We are Sing Squad.